Welcome. In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to use the AcroSeeker application. AcroSeeker is used to search your document for acronyms and their meaning. Let's get started. From the Welcome page, click Start. In the Task menu, click AcroSeeker, then click Next. Select a project from the Projects menu. Check the box next to the document you want to search for acronyms. Click Analyze. The result window opens. You will see the acronyms in the results window. The default view is a Microsoft Word table. If this tutorial was helpful, click here or subscribe to see more videos to learn how to use the Content Analytics platform in a quick and easy way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.